Welcome to lesson 14, problem number 5. You will see I took the liberty of plotting these 4 points on a graph that I just sketched down here. And we know we have a rectangle ABCD, and our goal is to find the coordinates of D. Now we know with a rectangle that the sides opposite each other have to be parallel. That's a definition of part of the definition of a rectangle, that it's a parallelogram, meaning the opposite sides are parallel. So we know that if AB goes straight across with the y value staying consistent at 2, so this stays consistent at 2 for the y value, we know that the CD has to also stay consistent. And since the y value at point C is 8, the y coordinate is 8, it must be 8 at D as well. And then for the x coordinate, it also must stay the same. So the x coordinate of point D must be -5, just like it is for point A or vertex A. So the answer to part A should be -5, 8. Now we're being asked to write a system of inequalities that represents all points on or inside the rectangle. So since the rectangle's points on are red, I'm going to shade all the parts inside red as well. And the system of inequalities would mean that we have 2 parallel lines that are both vertical. One is where x would be equal to 7, right here, right there. But we're going to make it x can be less than or equal to 7. That's one of our constraints. But x also has to be greater than or equal to -5. And not only that has to be true, but the y values, the y has to be less than or equal to 8, but y also has to be greater than or equal to 2. And that would give us all the points on the rectangle and inside the rectangle. The shaded points, including the points going around, the lines going around the rectangle, are all part of the solution to the system of inequalities. Great job. See you next time.